Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you a cool outro effect. Make sure to watch the video until the end, to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, drag your footage to the timeline. Then right-click on it, go to Video and crop to fit. After that, go to Effects and search for the Sutro effect. Drag it to the image. After that, add these animations above the image. Adjust them right. Then click on them, go to Compositing and change the blending mode to Screen. Adjust them right in the middle. Then go to Titles, add the basic 6 to the timeline. Now change the font to Roboto Medium. Go to Advanced to add another text. After that, go to Animation and add the Up Deer Insert animation. Then add your logo. Mine has black background, so I'm going to Effects and select the Remove Black Background effect. After that, adjust the logo as you want. That's it for this video, guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.